In Northwest news, engineers in Seattle are busy developing a new jet engine they say will make air travel quieter and more fuel efficient. Glenn Farley has a sneak peek at the secret design.
This looks like a soundstage for a sci-fi movie. The walls are angular. These slender things, microphones. And what looks like a spaceship is a scaled-down version of the new GE9X engine. With the new blade technology so secret, we can only show you the tip. This is Boeing's low-speed aeroacoustic lab. In real-world terms, it measures sound levels as if you were around an airport. Engine technology is a lot quieter than it used to be, but it could get quieter still. With a fan diameter 10 feet across, the current GE90 engine is the world's largest. Despite its size, it makes a lot less noise than engines that are a lot smaller.
I think we're going to surprise as many people as we did with the GE90 engine, with the 9X engine that's coming. Header pressure to 325.
This is the wind tunnel's control room, and they can watch and monitor everything.
Or should we go with 80?
Tony Opalski is GE's lead test engineer. They've been testing different blade configurations and other changes to the engine since January. They'll be here until October.
SS test was complete.
But while noise reduction is one goal, so is increasing fuel economy.
Economics to airlines is all about fuel burn.
Chuck Jackson leads the engine's development.
So we're committing to that 10% fuel burn improvement on the GE9X.
The new engine will have a fan 11 feet across that the engine builder says will help make things even quieter with better mileage. At Boeing Field, Glenn Farley, King 5 News.
Engineers say the GE9X engine is also designed to cut carbon emissions. It's scheduled to be delivered aboard the first 777X models in 2020. After spending 5 years and $10 million seeking permission to explore for gold near Chesaw, Kinross Gold said it is dropping the effort. The company says its proposal to drill more than 950 holes in search of more gold is being abandoned due to the cumbersome permit process. The Associated Press reports that Kinross has been working with the state and federal agencies to develop an environmental impact statement for gold exploration on about 9,200 acres. The company's existing Buckhorn mine is scheduled to shut down in mid-2015 as it runs out of gold to mine. Kinross will continue with other, smaller exploration projects in the area. The National Traffic Safety Board is investigating a close call between two airplanes, a near collision over Anchorage, Alaska on Tuesday involving an Alaska Airlines flight and a cargo plane. Investigators say air traffic controllers asked the Alaska Airlines flight to perform a go-around to avoid the cargo plane, but both planes veered in the same direction, coming within a quarter mile of each other. It's the fifth incident we've learned about in 2 weeks. 4 Monroe High School students are in trouble after demonstrating some advanced computer skills. Unfortunately, they were using their talents to hack into a teacher's computer to change their grades in a science class they were failing. The Daily Herald reports 2 of the students were directly involved in the grade changing. The others were aware that their grades were being changed. School district spokesman Rosemary O'Neill says a student used a key logging device to record the sequence of keystrokes the teacher used as a password for the electronic grade book. They wanted to change their failing grades to passing and get academic credit for the class. School staff investigated after receiving a tip. The school also brought the case to the Monroe Police School Resource Officer. O'Neill says the sad thing about the case was the students were frightened of failing and decided to do something worse. And that's going to do it for us here at iFIBER One News. We want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.